कट गया नाम लिस्ट से नाम कट गया।
कैसे कट गया?
मालूम नहीं, हमारे लिस्ट ही नहीं आया।
जरा जोर से बोलो, चुनाव का परिणाम जानना है तो मेरी बात मानकर चलना। 5 तारीख को दीदी का सुपड़ा साफ हो जाएगा।
उसका बाद जो 58 लाख वोटर का नाम कट गया, डेड, डिस्प्लेस, डुप्लीकेट एटसेट्रा, उसके बाद तो कम से कम 90-95% होना ही है।
Let's talk about as far as when it comes to the deleted voters here are also in the case is concerned, because the SIR exercise is something that Mamata Banerjee had gone to the courts against as far as this exercise was being conducted in the poll-bound state of West Bengal. So all of these areas that now we are looking at, Cooch Behar, Jalpaiguri, Cooch Behar, Dakshin, we are looking at Falkata, we are looking at Tapan, we are looking at Chapra, Bagda, Bali, Kalyani, Habra, Moina, Balgarh, all of these areas, even when it comes to in Raniganj, in Asansol, Dakshin, in Kulti, in Dubrajpur, all of this as far as the deleted voters that exceed the victory margin, and here seems to be as far as these 44 crucial seats are now concerned. Now Cooch Behar Uttar, Cooch Behar Dakshin, and these seems to be the very seats that actually could turn, you know, when it comes to the tables is concerned, when we speak of the state of West Bengal. But that is only when it comes to the first phase of the elections.
मुझे लगता है कि ये SIR की एक असर है। ऐसा तो है, सत्ता विरोधी लहर है, उसके साथ साथ SIR का भी एक असर है इसमें।
ममता के गुंडे कहते थे कि आप प्रचार कर लो, हम वोट ही नहीं डालने देंगे। डर लगता है ना दीदी लोग, गुंडाओं का डर लगता है क्या? अरे जोर से बोलो, लगता है या नहीं लगता है भाई?
ये 2021 में जो इंडिकेशन था, 2016 में जो इंडिकेशन, 2026 में वही इंडिकेशन है दैट वोट फॉर ममता 100%। नंबर ऑफ सीट्स इन फेवर ऑफ तृणमूल कांग्रेस विल इंक्रीज।
The TMC, in the power for the last 15 years, is now eyeing for a 4th straight term in the state. Now, since 2016, the elections, the BJP, however, has emerged as the main opposition, sidelining the traditional left Congress alliance in its challenge to Mamata Banerjee, the party that is now eyeing a victory in the state. Right from SIR to infiltration to women's safety, many key issues have been driving the poll narrative. So let's get you as far as the previous elections poll numbers are concerned, 2021, and how did the parties there fare as far as the seat share and the vote share. The TMC garnered 215 with 48.5%, almost 50% of the vote share, while the BJP managed to get 77 of the seats, carrying around 38.1% of the vote share, which the party is now looking to improve. And when we talk about the left here in the case as well, the CPM, however, has been drawing a zero with 4.8% vote share, and so was the Congress with zero but with a 3.1% vote share. Total number of seats that we know is 294. Now, why does Bengal actually matter the most to the BJP? Already having their sarkar in 16 of the states, what are we now looking at and what really is at stake for the BJP? As far as the contest here is concerned, 294 seats in West Bengal, and as far as the performance here is of the BJP, that has significantly improved right from 2016, from 3 seats to 77 in 2021. But so has the performance of TMC. Now, fourth straight term is something that Mamata Banerjee seems to be eyeing. Congress party, meanwhile, the left that had also ruled the state for several decades, however, has now zero as far as in their account is concerned.